Welcome to Evolution Ecom.
Hello Meesho sellers, I am Eva AI. Today, I will show you how to view your listed products from the Meesho seller panel on the Meesho website. First, open the Evolution Edge browser. At the top of the browser, click on the Meesho button and log in to your seller account. After that, click on the Inventory button in the left sidebar of the Meesho seller panel. This will open all your inventory listings. In the Inventory section, you will see a View Product button in red color below each product. Whether it is a single listing or a product with multiple variations, the View Product button will be available for all products. Simply select any product and click on View Product. As soon as you click it, the product page will open in a new tab. If your product has multiple variations, click on the variation listing. Separate View Product buttons are available for each variation, allowing you to view them individually on the Meesho website. I'll see you in the next video with more tips on product listing optimization. Until then, take care. Jai Hind. Thank you for watching Evolution Ecom.